Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Rabbit Motorworks. Today we're going to work on the bug again. I think today's video's focus is going to be on trying to polish a little bit of shine and appearance into the car. So we've got our whole assortment, many different things that we'll be getting into in the episode, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so one of the things we're going to start in on is the paint. And so the paint, when it was sprayed, was definitely a single stage paint back in the day. And you can just hear the finish on it. And so one of the things I think was going to help bring that back, and I can actually get some polish and shine on it, is by doing just a light wet sanding on it. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to basically wet sand the car, and then after that we'll chase it with some polish. So we'll dig into that and do a little elbow grease, huh? Yeah. Okay guys, we've got some smoother paint. That just feels nice. So object is to get that layer of crud off, and I don't know if you could see it from the wet sanding that we were doing. There's basically a layer of oxidized paint and dirt, and it just feels great now. So now we got like a platform to install some stuff here. We got a platform to actually just work from now to get the paint going. So we've taken that layer of oxidation off. Now we'll compound it and get some shine into it. In addition to that, we're gonna do some steel wooling of the bumpers. And I started a little bit there just to start to get a little bit of a shine. But that together with our chrome polish will start to yield some rewards. So let's do that next. I can feel the grime coming off of it. bumper polishing, and it's definitely starting to show some shine, so that looks really cool. You can see this corner I've hit already and getting some nice shine here. That's just the first layer. I think we'll try to get that license plate off too. This little license plate, it's kind of hit. And Junior's doing a good job helping out too. That's going to be a neat transformation. Okay guys, that's looking mighty better. That's just one hand polish on the bumper. And I think what we'll try to do is get this plate off too. It's got some interesting old fasteners on it. Polish, polish, polish. Looking sharp. Here's kind of a before scene of the back bumper too. As we'll start in on a little bit of this too. And boy, you get some pretty fast results just with a little bit of effort. Okay, there's the after, and we did a little bit more on the tailpipe on the left. Probably could get even more aggressive with it. It's starting to come around though. Interesting thing though is we're starting to run out of a bit of daylight, but man, does that bumper look even better. That's the great thing about these classic bugs, is they just really start to show what's so cool about them. I'm just wiping it here with the... Let's give it a buff. So I don't know if the camera picks it up as well, but man, it really looks nice here. In fact, you can see remnants of what used to be some kind of sticker there. A lot of old good life in this car yet. Very cool. Very nice. Get some paint polished up, and you can start to see the chrome now on that thing really nicely. So very pleased. That's just initial cut at those bumpers, and man, that really shows the wealth of the car. Very, very cool. So we got a little elbow grease in the bug now. Junior had to get a little snack because he was getting a little cranky.
And we're gonna go have some dinner.
Yeah. Great if I could get that front license plate off and get that broken license plate frame undone. See if we can give that a go with our friendly vice grips. See if I can snack onto it. Got it.
What's it? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa.
Sweet.
Whoa.
We got it off. Alright, that was a very critical job of not doing damage to the car or the license plate. So we still got one more goofy bolt hanging on there in the end. Look at that. That's easy peasy. Okay, so that one's loose. Now, see if we can get this one off. Okay, last hurrah, trying to get this other plate off. I got this nut loose. This one I got my system of using the Dremel to put a cup in there, and I'll drill this out. And then hopefully we get these plates off. Do a little bit of resto just to get some of the stickers down. And that'll give us a little bit of room to be able to polish too. So this is a nice sharp drill bit now. Whoa. That's it. Yo. Got it off. No damage. Yeah. Hey. What's going on? Here we go. The miscellaneous fasteners. Rusted shut. Okay. That's our original California plate. So, look at all these stacks of stickers. Like how many years there are. Cool.
You shouldn't say it too.
Alright guys, it's a wrap. We got Englewood off the front and the plates off. We got it wet sanded. We got the bumpers polished. It's just a lot of stuff to do, but we're gonna get it done, right there, Junior?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, thanks everybody for watching. Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 2 and we're on the polish-a-thon. We started off on some of the hubcaps and we're making some pretty good progress. Some of the mag wheel polish and just some elbow grease with the steel wool. So here's a finished one. Okay guys, we're got our nice shiny hubcaps on. Car is starting to pop a little bit with the chrome. So the next thing I think we're gonna try is putting some polish on this paint. So I got the random orbital and we'll hit that together with some of our favorite Menzerna Fast Gloss compound. So I've got this stuff just goes a long way. I've had this bottle for probably at least 5 years or more. So let's get into that. We'll do a little bit of time lapse too. Okay, that's one pass. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's definitely doing its job. It feels really nice. Here's the comparison. You can see how oxidized that paint is, but it's definitely coming up, and it's a single stage paint, and so that's the cool thing about single stage paints is they really gloss up nice when you polish them. That gives you a little indication of how bad the oxidation is, so I might have to switch to a different compounding pad because there's a lot to take off, but this is promising, so we're going to keep at it. Hey guys, so we're getting the rear part of the car polished out. I did buy a new seal, and if you can see some of this stuff here, it's pretty crispy. So that used to be rubber. So we're gonna start taking this seal out and get it prepped for the new seal. I'll probably do some polishing and clean up around this as well too first, but at least we'll get into that too. So front and rear, this is the rear at least, seal that we'll end up doing. Okay, that laborious task is over, and got all of the old rubber seal out, which is good. So the other thing I'm finding as well is that this other paint just kind of comes off with your fingernail and it starts to expose the nice original paint. And I know it's been sprayed twice, but I think that'll be an easy cleanup to giving it a little bit of a cleaner look. So got the back pretty much looking a little nicer now too, and I did half of this, and you can see that shine starting to come out. I'm starting to hit over here as well too. Yeah, this thing is just really starting to pop with the chrome and the shine. So I got half one side done, and you start to look at this side, and you can see how dull things are on this side. And I've actually hit half of the roof as well too, so it's starting to clean up on the roof too. So a lot of work, and we're gonna hit this side next. I do have a couple of, actually like 3 hubcap clips on order too, so we can put the other hubcap on when we get those in. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for us today on Rabbit Motor Works. This has been a long, just trying to get things all polished up and clean. So next time you see the car, in the next video, we'll start getting into some other mechanical things as well too. I got to bleed the brakes. I got to figure out why the fuel tank's not showing a reading on the dash, and get that figured out too. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay notified by turning your post notifications on, and if you haven't subscribed already, please give us a subscribe and a bunch of likes, and if you want to, follow us on Instagram. Take care everybody. Peace.
Bye.